In this video, I'm going to show you how to download GTA Vice City on PC. So first open your browser and then over here type in GTA Vice City. Scroll down until you see Rockstar Games website, Grand Theft Auto Vice City. Click on it and then you'll see the official game right here. So you can click buy now or buy now right here and you can read about it. So when you click on this, you're going to see that they are actually selling you the trilogy game, as you can see, which includes Grand Theft Auto 3, Vice City, and San Andreas. So this is because Rockstar Games discontinued GTA Vice City as a standalone game. So the only legal way to get it is to buy the trilogy right here. And yeah, that's about it. So you can buy it right here. Just click on buy now, and yeah, it's going to be 80 bucks Canadian for all the three games, of course. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.